Covering news across America now, the Supreme Court will hear arguments this week on the constitutionality of the new health care law. At issue is whether the federal government overstepped its bounds by requiring most Americans to buy health insurance. Steve Santani has more.
All eyes are on the U.S. Supreme Court as 3 days of oral arguments on the controversial health care law start tomorrow. Already a few dozen people are in line waiting to hear the arguments, and some of them have been here since Friday morning. Emotions are running high, and the outcome could have major political impacts in this election year. The Obama administration is confident the law will survive.
You've seen jurists appointed by both Democrats and Republicans in lower courts uphold this law. Two very important conservative jurists offering very strong opinions. So we're confident that it'll be constitutional. And our focus right now, obviously, there's going to be a process play out this week, and then obviously the Supreme Court will deliberate.
The court will hear 4 separate legal aspects of the health care law, the first one exploring whether the case is premature, since no one has yet paid the penalty for refusing to buy health insurance. But the main event is Tuesday, when the court hears arguments on the Commerce Clause and whether it can be used to compel people to buy health insurance they might not want. Conservatives say the law is simply too costly for too many people.
This is extremely expensive. Families won't have a choice. They're going to be forced to buy an insurance product the government tells them they have to purchase. If they don't, they'll have to pay a fine to the federal government. This is absurd. It's never happened before in the history of the country. This
week we'll see arguments only. A decision will come down in late June or early July. At the Supreme Court, Steve Santani, Fox News.